It's Sunday morning. I'm just ready. I've just done my makeup. I actually filmed a bit over there while I was doing my makeup, but it wasn't in focus, so we'll start again. I'm getting my hair cut today. I don't know if you remember my previous vlog, but I've been thinking about getting a bob, probably for like 2 years now, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. As you can tell, I'm still a little bit undecided and I'm due to get it done in about an hour. I need to walk into town. I need to go and get a patch test done first for a lash lift that I'm getting on Friday. We go to Mallorca a week today, so I'm just planning all my little beauty treatments ahead of my holiday. And yeah, I'm thinking to go for this bob. Basically, I've been thinking about it for 2 years. It's gonna grow back. It's just hair. It's fine. My hair's at a really long length where I'm at that point. It looks good probably 10% of the time when I properly style it. I use a bunch of products and I just don't have that time in the morning. I'm in the office, as you guys know, like 4 days a week, and it's a bit of a struggle just to keep my hair looking good. And I feel like just cutting a bunch of the length off is gonna really help with volume. It's gonna make it look more full and hopefully it'll just be a bit more manageable. So that's the thought process. I'm going to a nice hairdressing salon in Balham called Edward James. It's a little bit more pricey, but I thought if I'm getting a bob, I want someone to cut it properly and cut it well. So, I mean, price is not always an indicator of quality, I know that, but yeah, I thought I'll just push the boat out and go to like a nice, I mean, it's still less than £100, but for a cut and blow dry, it's quite pricey. It's like 90. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me. Hopefully I can film some stuff in there, but I might not. I'm also put this makeup on because I was literally thinking, you know that meme where there's like the lizard and it's sitting in the salon chair with the gown on. It's like, I'm the ugliest person in the world. And I literally thought, I need to put a bit of makeup on, otherwise pale skin, haircut, wet hair, it's just not going to be a very good scenario. Also, my computer's like fully broken right now. I'm a bit concerned about that because I don't want to have to pay a load of money for a new laptop. But it's just been playing up so much lately. Anyway, yes, I'm looking forward to this haircut. I feel like it's going to give me a whole new lease of life. I have also had a lovely weekend, but I'll tell you all about that later, maybe when I get into town. So I've got about an hour. I need to do the lash lift, not do the lash lift. I need to do the patch test for the lash lift. I need to pick up a little bite to eat, or maybe I'll eat something here. I don't know, but I'll chat to you and tell you about the rest of my weekend in a bit. I also need to pick up some groceries because, why did I say groceries? Some food shopping. I'm not American. Some food shopping. We did that amazing Tesco order about a week ago and it was brilliant. Love it. Would like very highly rate it. And when we get back from our holiday, I'm going to be on it. I'm going to be ordering a Tesco food shop once a week because it just took the stress out of the rest of the week. We had meals planned and we knew what we were eating. We haven't reordered one. We've just bought a bunch of things over the weekend just to eat. And we have some chicken Kievs in the fridge tonight for dinner that we're going to have with some spring greens and I think some roast potatoes. So obviously I'll cook that with you. But I need to pick up some bits for the rest of the week just to do us along until we go on our holiday. So yeah, very exciting week. 4 days left. Not even 4 days. I have an offsite on Thursday. So 3 days in the office this week and then 1 day at home and 1 day at an offsite. So I'm really excited to get on my holiday, see my family. And yeah, it's all looking good. So I'll chat to you in a little bit when we get into town. So guys, I went for the bob. I don't know how I feel about it right now. I feel quite overwhelmed, quite panicked. I caught myself, because I went to Sainsbury's on the way home, in the, you know, those little like video recording things right beside the tills. And I was literally like, oh my God, what have I done? I think I've come home and kind of tried to put a bit of a wave in it with my tongs, and I think it looks a bit better. When she first did it, it was completely straight. I'll put a picture in. It did not look good. I was literally panicking so much as soon as she cut the first like chunk off in this hairdressing salon. I was like, oh my God. And no shade to her, because obviously this is what I asked for. I mean, this is exactly what I asked for. So if it doesn't suit me, that's my own problem. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I think I'll grow to like it. I think it's just the initial shock of getting your hair done initially. Oh my God, my hands are like shaking. I'm just in the door. Yeah, please tell me what you think. But please be kind, because I feel stressed out that I've just cut all my hair off. I feel like it feels so much healthier. And I think I just need to make sure that I've got time in the morning to like fully put a wave through it, which takes like 2 minutes now that it's really short. But yeah, what do we think? Oh my God, I feel so panicked. I wanted to show you quickly what I picked up from Sainsbury's, because I told you earlier I was gonna do like a bit of a shop and get a few bits to last us this week until we go on holiday. Okay, first thing I picked up, a refill of ketchup, tomato puree, eggs, because I'm gonna make some banana bread with 2 really rotten old bananas that we have in the fridge, and I'm determined to make banana bread today. 2 carrots for spaghetti bolognese that I'm gonna make hopefully on Tuesday or Wednesday night. Garlic. These seriously overpriced bin bags, but they're the only size that actually fit our tiny little bins. Some more bananas for the week. Some sushi ginger. I love this stuff, by the way. It just makes any sort of Asian dish feel a little bit more special. It's like so yummy with some sriracha, some mayo, a bit of wasabi, some spicy chili crisp. It's really good. Some broccoli for our broccoli and salmon dish. Some organic beef mince, some shallots for our spaghetti bolognese, or I don't know what I'm gonna make with the mince, and some salmon fillets. So that's everything that I picked up at Sainsbury's. I'm gonna get all of this away now in the fridge, and then I might start making my banana bread. Also, Matt's on his way home. Let's see what he thinks of my hair. He was a big encouragement just to go ahead and do it, because I'm gonna stop talking about my hair now, but basically because I've been talking about doing it for the past 2 years, and he was like, you're gonna look amazing, like it's gonna be so good, don't worry. So yeah, let's see what he thinks as well. I'm a bit stressed. Anyway, tonight we're having chicken Kievs for dinner, so obviously I'll show you when I cook dinner, and I think we're just gonna have a really chill rest of the afternoon. I also want to prepare for the holiday. I want to get all my holiday stuff out and start washing it so that I've got clean things, and I know I can like visualize what I need to buy and pack, and you know, just if there's some bikinis that no longer fit, or if they're just like a bit old and worn, if I need to pick up anything else new. So
God, it looks nice. Come on. It looks lovely. It looks nice.
do you think?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it looks so weird.
I like it.
I
like it. Oh my God, it looks good.
Do you think?
Yeah. It's quite short, but it looks good.
I know.
Yeah, it is good.
It's very short.
Yeah, and it's stand back. I really like it. Oh my God, I really like it. Come on.
Oh.
I really like it. That
Are
looks
you
really
sure?
good, yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, I really like that. What?
Let me see.
Good, you look very different.
So it's a little bit later now. It's now 6:15, and I'm about to get started on dinner. I'm still having a minor breakdown about my hair, but we won't talk about that anymore. It's done. It's over. It's just hair. It's going to grow back. And I think tonight we're going to watch... Is Love Island on tonight?
I think it's on at 9, yeah.
Love Island's back. We're kind of getting into Love Island, aren't we?
Well, we're giving it a go.
We're giving it a go. We're not really a big fan of many of the characters.
It's an easy watch, isn't it?
It's an easy watch, and it's quite nice to get into something and have something to look forward to. And it's on quite frequently throughout the week, so it's quite nice to, you know, save it up and have something to watch. So tonight on the menu we have some chicken Kievs. Let me just show you. I also need to clean out this fridge at some point. These bananas, don't be afraid of these. These are for my banana bread. They're very black, but all the recipes call for extremely ripe bananas. So what we're gonna have for dinner, the Sainsbury's Taste the Difference range is fantastic. So we're gonna have these. We are gonna have these reduced spring greens, which are just like collard greens sort of thing. And is that it? Oh, and crushed potatoes. Not crushed, roasted potatoes. I'm just finishing up cooking dinner and setting the table, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about our weekend because we had such a nice Friday night. Matt's watching Soccer Aid, by the way, which is why it's so loud in the background. Let me just come over here. Maybe he can turn it down a little for us, just because it's not even started yet. So on Friday, we went to a really cute little brewery. If anyone lives around Tooting or like Balham or like Southwest London, there is a really cute place called Bellevue Brewery, just beside Wandsworth Common Station. Wait, did I say Tooting? I meant Wandsworth. It's close to Wandsworth Common Station, and it's a really sweet little place. It's got loads of outdoor seats and then like fairy lights, and it was just so lovely. If I've got any footage, I'll put clips in. So we went there on Friday, and then we had a little wander from there to Indian Room in Balham, and we had a delicious curry. That is the only Indian restaurant that I've found, you know, like out of local Indian restaurants, not ones that are in like central London, that have really nice lighting and like really do the atmosphere justice. Like, it was the most gorgeous little place ever. I love it. So we had a really nice meal in there. And then yesterday, it feels like a week ago actually, so much has gone on this weekend. Yesterday, me, Matt and my brother went to a spin class. It was like the first one back for me since I had my mole removal on my leg. So I haven't done a spin for like 2 weeks. And oh my God, it was the hardest class I've ever done. It was literally like, it was an hour-long class, which I shouldn't even have attempted. But it was just one of those where I was just thinking, oh, this must be the final track. This must be it now. And it was just going on and on and on. So yeah, that was a real struggle. But then we rewarded ourselves with a really nice meal. We went to the pub, the George, again, just parallel to Oxford Street, like a few streets up. It's closer to Great Portland Street, actually, if you're talking about tube stations. And we had a really nice meal there. I had a chicken cob salad, which came with like bacon, and oh, it was so yummy. And then Matt and my brother both had chicken burgers. So we had a really nice lunch, and I treated myself to a nice glass of wine as well. And then we did a little bit of shopping. The shopping went well, picked up a few bits for my holiday, but Oxford Street on a Saturday is no joke. It was literally heaving. There was so many people around. Matt was getting a bit fed up. Jack was fed up. We were all just a bit irritable. So we had a really nice time though, but it was just too busy, too much going on. So we decided to call it a day. And then we came home and last night just chilled. And then obviously I had my big haircut today. So it's been an eventful weekend. It's been a busy one. I feel like dinner might be ready now, so I'm going to go and check on it and show you what it looks like. These potatoes are so crispy and delicious. The garlic's kind of burned, so I don't know if I would bother with the garlic anymore, because I actually put like garlic and onion powder on it, and then obviously lots of rosemary. I took the tin foil off because the potatoes were just sticking to it, so halfway through I kind of tossed them around a bit and took the tin foil off. Here's our spring greens bubbling away. And then let me just check in here for chicken Kievs. I turned the oven off earlier because they were ready. These look very oily. The oil tends to like seep out. But honestly, these are like the best chicken Kievs. Was it good, huh? Yeah. I need a glass of wine after my night that I've had, so.
What ones do you want on?
That's fine. Do you want a glass of wine? Matt's going to do a taste test because he's not done one for me in a long time. Here we have him smothering everything in sriracha.
What my taste testing?
My potatoes.
Yeah, love them.
Actually, because nothing else was made by me.
Delicious as always.
Delicious as always.
Do they need salt?
I put loads of salt on them, but you can put the salt
Yeah,
on.
they do not actually need salt. They're quite sweet. Good?
Oh, they're not as crispy as last time.
Do you think it's the foil?
I don't know. It's still good though.
Yeah, it's still good.
Okay, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. And please let me know what you think of my hair. Be kind because I'm still a bit fragile about it. We're going to enjoy our night, watch some Soccer Aid, watch some Love Island, and just chill for a nice Sunday. Happy weekend. Bye, guys.
Bye.